Voronoi gives you full control to design any pattern, from concept to building facade. Now let's learn it together. This plugin has three options, and here we will start with the last one. And because we are using the third option, we first need to manually draw the path of the pattern we want in this plugin. Now in the areas I have created, I want to generate a pattern using this plugin with the third option. Now we need to delete these lines, and we don't need them anymore. This method that we are deleting manually takes a little time. In the next example, I will show you how the plugin can remove these lines in just 1 second. Because these patterns are grouped, we need to exclude the whole group first. And now check this out. And if you need the middle part of the pattern, you can simply push-pull the frame and add the materials that you want. And if you don't need the patterns, you can just get a copy of the frame, only the frame. And now you can push-pull it. To delete these lines, select the shape, right click, and choose soften and smooth edges. This will clean up the shape, and look at this, guys. We have created a pattern, a perfect pattern, exactly as we wanted. The first option of this plugin uses points to create a framework where we can later add patterns. That's why here I first create the points. Then use the first option to build the framework. Once the framework is ready, just like in the previous example, I use the third option to add patterns inside it. Before clicking on the shape, if we press the tab key from the keyboard, a window opens. Here you can adjust settings like how much the patterns offset from the lines we set, and whether the pattern will be soft or hard. We can adjust them from here. As you can see, changing these settings let us create all kinds of different patterns. As I told before, we use the plugin to delete the extra lines, and here with the plugin Fix It 101 plugin, it's super easy to remove them. The plugin second option takes the point that we set earlier and puts them at the center and creates the pattern around them. Check this example. Using the plugin second option, the points we set are placed at the center and the patterns are arranged around them. The points act as the center of the pattern. Here, using the Voronoi plugin, I want to create a pattern for this shape, and you can use this plugin to make patterns for facades, windows, or anywhere you want. If any part of the framework doesn't look right, we can adjust it by hand before generating the pattern. Erasing these lines by hand takes too long, so I recommend using the plugin. You can download this plugin from SketchUp or SketchUp extension warehouse. For bending this shape along this curve, I need the Shape Bender plugin. If you don't know how to use it, check out my channel. I have posted a full Shape Bender tutorial there. Take a look at this shape. Let's imagine it's a building, and I want to design its front facade and create a pattern on it using this plugin. For working with Shape Bender, we need a straight reference line. That's why here I'm drawing this reference line. We must first select the shape, then the reference line, and finally the curve that we want to bend our shape along that. Enjoyed this tutorial? Make sure to subscribe. on my channel, Art Jamshed. I post free plugin tutorials and you can watch and learn all of them for free.